stars and dreams. Sunlight dances on the rippling streams. Birds whisper secrets to the sky. Time drifts slowly as we fly. Breezes play with leaves in tune. Our hearts beat gentle under noon. Stars wait patiently for night's charm, holding the world in a calming arm. Breezes play with leaves in tune. Our hearts beat gentle under noon. Stars wait patiently for night's charm, holding the world in a calming arm. Chasing clouds in a sky so high, worries fading like a soft sigh. In this moment we feel so free, wrapped in a blanket of serenity. Mountains stand tall, watching the day. Echoes of peace in what they say. Laughter rings through the valleys below, in this place where dreams can grow. Moonlight guides us through the night, glowing softly silver and bright. Dreams all woven in a starry quilt, built on hope and stardust spilled. Chasing clouds in a sky so high, worries fading like a soft sigh. In this moment we feel so free, wrapped in a blanket of serenity. Guides us through the night, glowing softly silver and bright. Dreams all woven in the starry quilt, built on hope and stardust spilled. Chasing clouds in a sky so high, worries fading like a soft sigh. In this moment we feel so free, wrapped in a blanket of